Sometimes, speech recognition struggles with specific names or domain-specific terminology. Let's try recording a sentence using quick capture. Notice how it incorrectly transcribed our app name as VoxTori instead of VoxTori. To fix this, VoxTori lets you create custom word lists to improve transcription accuracy. First, open Settings from the menu bar icon, scroll down to the Vocabulary Boosting section, and click Manage Vocabularies. Here, you can create a new vocabulary list. We'll add the specific term VoxTori to our list. You can also add other custom terms individually or even import them from a file. Additionally, VoxTori comes with several pre-built domain-specific vocabulary packs such as technology, medical, and legal that you can import and use right out of the box. Once your terms are added, simply close the manager and toggle vocabulary boosting to the on position to activate the list. VoxTori will now boost the recognition of these terms during transcription. Let's try our quick capture recording one more time. And there it is! Thanks to vocabulary boosting, VoxTori perfectly recognized and transcribed the app's name.